RDM Group is an Alliance-approved factory. It is manufacturing of knit and woven garments. The company has invested a lot to set up the state-of-the-art machineries to meet the challenges of fashion world with the help of true leadership of the management. It has a group of skilled, dedicated, and hardworking employees. At present, factory have 50 lines and are producing 2 million pieces of men's and ladies' apparels per month. RDM Group was established in 2008 with a policy of honest, open, and ethical business. Sustaining long-term business is the motto, rather than short-term gains. The company strives to do business with customers who share a similar philosophy. We believe that the ultimate objective of the company is to make sure the products are acceptable to the ultimate individual consumer. This objective can only be attained through working with the customer's complete trust, understanding, and mutual cooperation. The philosophy has indeed paid handsomely in terms of growth. History. RDM Apparels Ltd was established in the year of 2008 in Chuktai commercial area, Chittagong, Bangladesh. We started with only 80 machines and 150 workforce. Initially, we have rented only one floor, 13,000 SQF, and started our operation as a 100% export-oriented ready-made garments factory. The factory location is prominent for commercial business, but there was no RMG factory in that area. So from the starting it was very much challenging with lack of skill manpower and also to create working environment in surrounding area. But we took the challenge and created our motivated and skilled workforce to run the factory over the years. Right now we covered 4 floor, 52,000 SQF, the workforce is 1,100 with 500 automated modern sewing machines. Our factory is equipped with centralized compressor, CAD system, laser cutter, and also we are consistently adding updated and modern machines regularly with our efficient production system.